Hello and welcome to the latest episode of the Garden series.
Today we're going to harvest our corn. Wow! What a big corn!
The biggest one.
The biggest one, but there's no corn inside.
There is corn inside, but
Ta-da!
uh,
Wow!
it didn't grow.
Pretty good.
Uh, it's not
Yeah,
nearly as good as last year, but
but still
still,
good.
we're gonna eat that, right?
Yeah, we can barbecue that. Ah,
Barbecue? You want a barbecue or do you want it
barbecue.
barbecue or oil?
Is this only one? You're gonna do barbecue later, right?
Yes.
Eat.
Yes. Smallest one now. This is the smallest one.
It's nothing because it just came out. I saw it like few weeks ago.
I've seen it before, but
See,
oh, you can use that for cooking. It's
still
like the
baby.
mini corns that you put for cooking.
No,
Yeah.
they
See?
didn't even have like. I told you, you just leave it there.
No, this is not gonna grow. It's not gonna grow.
That might be have inside.
Has a little bit.
Yeah,
Yeah.
still good though.
Still not horrible.
Yeah, they just pop. That one. See, I told you.
Yeah, it has a little bit.
Yeah, they need more soil next time.
Ooh. There we go.
See, we got 3 corn. Not bad. Sasho,
Yeah.
not bad.
Yeah. Almost like. Today we are harvesting our tomatoes, and this is October 6th.
Okay.
Okay? Is it okay?
Okay.
Here's some more tomatoes. Those are green, but we have to get them. Those are from the garden. Yes, you will harvest too, yes. those are cherry tomatoes or grape tomatoes?
It's a tomato.
How am I gonna do this?
Put this one on the
That was our cucumber. So you're not filming, are you?
I'm filming it.
Okay.
And maybe we should put it, the pot, we should put it down as well, right?
Yeah, I guess.
Okay, no more.
Yeah, that is it.
And also here we have hot pepper. We call here a Thai chili pepper.
Chilies, yes, those are chilies. Let's
Have you
us
tried
them as
that?
well. I have tried that, yes.
How does it taste?
It's hot. It's very, very hot.
Do you think you will try it again?
Yeah, why not? I mean, I cannot. It will probably take me a week to eat one, but
A week to eat one? Show me how it's big. Just to say like a week for this small pepper.
this one.
You see that? It's a week for him. Maybe you can harvest also the green one.
Yeah, I'm harvesting everything.
And look at this one. Even at the bottom, there's a chili that bears fruits. Here, no.
Ooh, can get to it. There's more little ones here. This one. This one. This one.
How old is this pepper? Like 1 year or 2 years old? No, 2 years old because oh, there's 2 more in the bottom.
How is it 2 years old? It's not 2 years
Last
old.
summer, I planted it last summer. Oh, 1 year. Yeah, last summer.
And then in the winter it stayed inside?
Yes.
Okay.
And then there's more. At the bottom in the soil. You see
So-
that? You see? I told you. Oh, I thought it's something that coming out from the roots, but oh, this one.
So they need long time, I guess,
Yeah.
then to grow. Where did that one go? I dropped one. I dropped it on the ground. I don't see it. Where?
I don't see anything that
I dropped one.
I don't know. I tried to harvest some of our parsley because look, it's a bunch of parsley here. Parsley. A lot of parsley here.
let's separate green ones and red ones. The red ones will have to eat soon, especially this one. And the green ones we're gonna put in the basement. Okay, moving on.
I think this parsley we're gonna for a year. No, because
Probably more.
more now.
Yeah.
So when I freeze it, look how many parsley we have. It's a lot. To show you our pepper. Look, it's a lot of pepper.
But we will not be harvesting this now.
Yeah, I'm just
This is going to go inside. We want them to grow a little more.
Look. Ooh. This one is my favorite pepper. Because look how much fruits pepper in one stem. It's a bunch of pepper, but I don't eat pepper.
It's not one, it's two. But that's it.
Oh, see?
Okay.
Yeah, this is our harvest for 2 pots of tomatoes. It's a fruitful year of tomato for us. Maybe this year is so hot.
We just work so hard on tomatoes, that's why. It's not that it is so hot.
Okay. Sasha works so hard.
You work so hard in the spring. Finger off. Cut it right off. Yeah, a lot of green ones. That's because we've already harvested most of the ones that were ripe, so we only have green left. There's one more little one here. Very little. I don't know if I should.
Just leave it there.
Okay. Is there anything else?
Because it's not no
I
more.
don't see anything else. That's it. We still have to go on the deck, so we still have more tomatoes to harvest. But oh, it's heavy.
There's more. See that?
Oh wow, you harvested a lot of this.
Yeah.
Parsley.
It's fall now.
Let's go with the red ones.
And we still have a pepper here, the hot chili pepper. And some of the tomatoes.
This one actually is the one that we planted last year
Yeah.
during the summer.
Yeah, January we harvest some fruits from there.
I think even it was before January.
Yeah.
And then we harvested more in the spring, like May.
Mm-hmm.
It was inside.
Mm-hmm.
That whole winter this was inside. And where those are yellow.
Oh, it's a lot. I didn't know that there's a lot of fruits that branches. It's a lot, baby. There's
Yeah.
more.
Yeah, I know there's more. There's more here, there's more down there.
Mm-hmm.
I will get to them, don't worry. This one is red, so I guess we have two different kinds of
Yellow and yellow.
yellow and red. Anything else in here? No, just this one.
Yeah. It's a family of.
But it's really infested with those white fleas. So this is why we're not bringing it back inside.
Look how our cat opened our door. She wants to go inside. Look.
Okay, this one is also from last year. We have two tomato plants from last year. There we go. Put those in the right ones. And
There's a small one there.
where? Oh yeah. There it is. Any more? No. Nothing here, nothing here. There's some big ripe ones here.
Very huge.
Yeah, those are nice.
Oh.
That's it.
So, what can you say now?
I want to measure them. I want to see how much they weigh.
What
So
are...
let's get the peppers. Those are bigger than the other ones over there. I don't know why. Maybe this is the older one.
Oh no.
Then
That's the older one.
huh?
That's the older one.
Maybe this one is getting more sun here, and that's why.
Yeah, because that one is on the shed.
I feel like we need to leave everything outside for at least a little bit, so the fleas kind of go away.
There's one more on this side. There's one here
I don't see it.
on the side. Okay, I guess it's all done. Oh, there's one more
Where?
in the bottom. On your hand. Up. Up. Stop.
I still don't see it. 0.6. It's going to be the last episode for this year. Today we are harvesting the peppers. We did put them inside for some time, so right now it's November. I had them here for a little more than a couple weeks, maybe about a month, just so they can grow a little more. And now it's time to harvest them, and then we're gonna put the Christmas tree here, and we're going to get rid of the plants. But before we harvest, let's just take a look of what we are going to harvest. So these are all the peppers we have. None of them actually turned all the way red. We have like orange, yellow, and green peppers. We were supposed to have some red ones, but it didn't really work out. A like and subscribe would be very much appreciated. And don't forget the notification button that will notify you every time we upload awesome videos like this one. And here's the end result. I'm gonna have to weigh that, but looks like quite a bit. And by the way, this is not our first harvest. We've harvested before, and we've harvested, I don't know, about half a kilo already. So let's see how much is this. So here it is. That is just over 2 kilos.